just try them out and see how they work.
Perfect timing for Raycon to reach out and to sponsor a bit of content. I'm off on some travels, so it should be perfect on the plane. Got the podcasts queued up, the YouTube videos downloaded. If I get any peace and quiet on the plane, we'll see. What do you think?
Yeah.
Excited? Yeah. These, the Raycon everyday earbuds, just perfect. These earbuds have active noise cancellation and they're really budget friendly as well. They're dustproof and they're waterproof, which has been great on this very hot, dusty summer holiday, and also spending a lot of time by the pool with the family as well. And they're incredibly quick to charge. Just 10 minutes charge buys you 1.5 hours, which is long enough for anything really. One thing I really liked about them is just touch of the button to toggle between the active noise cancellation mode and the awareness mode. And that was really useful at the airport because, of course, well, you need to make sure you don't bump into people whilst you're walking around trying to film a little clip, and interacting with people on the desks and, of course, your family as well, because you don't want to just ignore them on your holidays, do you? What an incredible summer holiday this was. I mean, the kids saw all of the things, and well, you can expect some more content that I filmed about tech for travel on this holiday. And thanks also to my incredible wife, because she does plan the most incredible holidays. Or rather, you don't take holidays with kids, you go on trips. So one side, the left side, toggles between the bass and the balanced sound and the pure sound. So that's exactly what it sounds like. It's just a sort of level of graphic equalization really. And the right hand side turns on the active noise cancellation or turns it off, and toggles awareness mode on or off as well. My wife really likes the forest green color that I've gone for. She says it matches my eyes, so those things are really important. But they come in some really nice colors actually. You get the forest green, which I've gone for, the royal blue, and the blush violet. And so you can go for whichever matches your look. And then it also comes with this protective case as well, which I really quite like because you can just attach that to your keys. You can attach it, I attached it to my belt loop, so it was easily in and out of my pocket whenever I needed it. I could just slip them on and off at any point in my travel day. For me, I found that it was really useful to use the active noise cancellation on the plane because, well, that sort of low hum of the aeroplane, that just was taken right out there, and you could really just zone into your podcast or your book that you're listening to. And I found it really useful to have the awareness mode on when I was walking through the airport. And for me, what I've been really enjoying with them as well, I listen to a lot of books in the car. So just to be able to have this small package in your pocket and then just carry on listening to those audiobooks as you go. And do you know what? Another thing that I've really enjoyed this holiday has been just listening to music on them, and they're really good quality sound here. So thanks so much to Raycon for sponsoring this video. I don't think I've mentioned that they're wireless charging. Not that I've had to charge them a lot anyway. So I'm just going to go and take these for a little bit of a late afternoon walk. It's absolutely roasty toasty on this holiday, but it should have cooled down a little bit, and I'm going to enjoy some music as I go. It's just such an amazing place. Look at that view. And if you travel a lot, well, these earbuds from Raycon, they're just absolutely perfect. The architect that converted this barn into this amazing Airbnb with this incredible view placed this here just to sit and enjoy the sunset that you get over the hills there. It's perfect to lose yourself in a book. Hello? Who's there, please? Interesting to get a call right this time. Hello? Perfectly happy with the service, thank you. Well, thank you very much for your call. I'm afraid I'm just a little bit busy now. I'm just working at the moment. Thank you now. Bye-bye. It's funny, isn't it? Just a useful time to test out the phone call, which worked perfectly well. She was very much able to hear that I didn't want to be bothered right now. I mean, look at that. It's actually quite a nice temperature out there now. Look at the kids and enjoy this